Exploring Beyond the Infinite, a journey through language. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that sparks curiosity and imagination, beyond the infinite. This expression is not only a testament to the beauty of the English language but also a window into the vastness of thought and exploration it can offer. Let's embark on this journey together and uncover the depths of what lies beyond the infinite. At first glance, beyond the infinite might seem like a paradox. How can something be beyond what is already infinite? The key lies in understanding the two words separately and then as a combined phrase. Beyond suggests something that exists or takes place at a further position or stage. Infinite, on the other hand, refers to something without any limits in size, amount, or time. When we put them together, the phrase metaphorically points to exploring realms or ideas that lie outside our conventional understanding of infinity. It's about pushing the boundaries of what we perceive as limitless. This phrase has been used in various contexts, from literature and movies to scientific discussions. One of the most famous uses is in Stanley Kubrick's film, 2001, A Space Odyssey, where it invites viewers to contemplate the vastness and mystery of the universe. In literature, such expressions are often used to convey the exploration of the unknown or the unattainable, pushing readers to expand their imagination and understanding. In science, it can allude to the endless pursuit of knowledge, indicating that beyond our current understanding, there's always more to discover. While it might seem like a phrase reserved for philosophical or abstract discussions, beyond the infinite can be adapted into everyday language to emphasize the idea of limitless possibilities or uncharted territories. For example, when discussing future technological advancements, we are only scratching the surface. What lies beyond the infinite is still unknown. In personal growth conversations, by overcoming these challenges, I feel like I'm moving beyond the infinite, constantly surpassing my limits. We hope this video has taken you on an enlightening journey beyond the infinite, expanding your understanding and appreciation of the English language's capacity to inspire deep thought and exploration. Remember, language is not just a tool for communication but a bridge to the vast unknown, inviting us to explore and imagine without limits. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next adventure through language.